Don't let anybody tell you this stuff isn't fun, man. I mean, just look at all the fun you're having. You're getting a good workout, you're crawling around, spending all that time on your hands and knees, and getting your cardio up. Best workout ever. And you're building your dream car at the same time. Or at least something fun to take cruising. Good times, baby, good times. Alright, we're going to take some interior out here. Now, I don't know how this back seat is supposed to be fastened down, but I suspect it's supposed to be fastened down better than that. I'm sure I'll figure it out when it's time to put it back in. But for now, I want to get it out. So it's actually the original seat. Somebody just put a cover on it. At least the cover's made for it, so that's good news. And then these back seats, they've got a hook down here at the bottom. You just pop that off at both sides, pop it outward, and then the whole thing lifts up. So you just lift that out, and then the back lifts off. This vehicle's got some history. Check this out. Original mud dauber nests. I think those are some sort of a wasp or hornet. And then, of course, the original back seat. Bottom seat there, that's all lived in by rodents. So, yeah. Good times, good times. So this is a part of the show where we find out that the floor is actually a lot worse than I thought it was. The seat was being held in at each corner, which is good, but it was only being held in by one bolt. Each one's designed for two, so that's a problem. The other thing that I found out is that the rockers had been repaired, but the floor, on the other hand, is in far worse condition than I realized. So we may be doing more repair there than what I had anticipated. I mean, I knew it needed some work, but not to the same degree to which I am discovering. But, you know, when it comes to this kind of stuff, you almost always know you're going to find more stuff than you anticipated. It's rare that a car is better than you think it is.